Rob.
Steven.
Rob.
Steven.
Let's trend. Let's trend. Let's trend.
That just puts a smile on my face.
I know. I like the beginning part. Dun, 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 dun. It's like we're on like a little carnival ride. So we'll remind our listeners, this is the part of the program where you and I, Rob and Steven, talk about the hottest things on the World Wide Webbers there. And you want to start things off?
I got something for you. I have the best news
Go on.
that since we've done Let's Trend,
Oh my gosh, wow.
And-
Let's Trend moment.
and it doesn't have to do with The Bachelor.
Oh, please tell me it doesn't have to do with kale.
It doesn't have to do with kale, and it's not my newest diet either. It's Arrested Development.
Oh, your other obsession.
Indeed. They have announced they are coming on Netflix May 26th for their 4th season, only available on Netflix.
What a coup for Netflix. I mean, we talked
True
about
story.
House of Cards.
House of Cards,
really
Arrested
being
Development.
hot there, and now Netflix lands the cult. I'm going to call it cult following series.
Oh my gosh. Listen,
Whatever.
let's remind our
Arrested
listener
Development.
what I got you for Christmas. Tell our listener what I got you for Christmas.
A subscription to Netflix.
For the sole purpose of doing what?
Watching Arrested Development, which I realized
How many episodes have you seen?
none on Netflix
Uh-huh.
because it's on IFC, so I can just watch it there.
How many episodes have you seen of Arrested Development?
3.
And is it not the greatest show ever?
No.
It is so funny. There's not a single wasted line in there.
All right, let's move on. What
Oh
else?
my
I want to
gosh.
talk about something else that's trending. There is a lollipop hoax in China. Apparently,
don't know what
there
that
was
means.
a video that went viral of a guy in China, an
Yep.
elderly gentleman,
I've been there.
molding a chupa chup. Have you had a chupa chup before?
I have not.
They're
But,
kind of lollipop.
I remember
bigger
a
internationally.
yep, go on.
Anyway, he supposedly, molded it into like a face or something using just his mouth. And people are like, whoa! And
Ew.
it's a fraud. It's a sham. So
I'm over that story.
Here's something that what reminds me of people, and I've seen this, which is not a hoax.
Yes.
Tying a cherry stem from
Yeah.
the Marciano cherries.
You probably saw that when you were in Cancun,
with your mouth. I've seen people do that.
getting your henna tattoos and your hair braided. Bringing it back to another old trending session. I got a story for you.
Go ahead.
Trending. The National Pork Board, your favorite board,
Yes.
they are changing all the names of the cuts of meat.
What?
So, let me tell you what's out. Pork loin, top loin, chop.
That's
Well-
my favorite cut.
I know. You've been talking about that for all these years.
Wait.
Is now going to be known as porterhouse chop.
Oh, to like mold it after the steak cuts.
Yeah.
So
Top loin, pork chop, New York chops. How do you like that?
kind of again going after the steak thing. So you have New York and Porterhouse.
Yep.
Are going to have like a flat iron chop.
Good question. I don't know. The internet doesn't say that right now. But last one, a pork loin ribeye chop. How much fun is that?
It's great fun for pork eaters out there. Give me a pork ribeye.
You got that right. And listen, I got one more story. We have
Yes.
50 seconds left.
Bring it home.
Vogue editor exposes fashion's dark side. She
Dun,
is
dun,
giving
dun.
secrets of how these models stayed so skinny.
Photoshop.
Not Photoshop, and it's not the slow carb diet, which I'm on right now and loving it. They ate tissue.
Ew, like Kleenex?
Kleenex tissue because they said it staved off hunger. How ridiculous is that?
I have something to say to that, which is grody to the max.
That-
Yuck. I don't like that.
You've been using yuck a lot. We got
Well,
to get out of here.
Rob Sachs and Steven Shaper.
Rob Sachs and Steven Shaper.
Rob Sachs and Steven
All right,
Shaper.
that's my
Rob
music.
Sachs and
I'll hear you
Steven
later.
Shaper.
Let's trend.
Let's trend.
Let's trend.
Let's trend.
Let's trend.
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 Let's trend.